What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just got my fidget packet in the mail and we opened it and we made some fidgets of our own. So the first thing I have is this pop tube. I totally recommend a pop tube. They're super fun. They're loud, but they're really fun. And
Hi, guys.
The next thing is this monkey noodle. I have a gray monkey noodle. And this is a small fidget pack, so don't expect a lot of things. Okay, so I got this. It's a little basic, but it's a butterfly mini puppet. Ready? Listen, guys. It's kind of loud. Not loud. It's not very loud. So this is what we made. It's a little thing, but it's kind of broken because it's my sister's. I got this wacky track and I got this tangle. I got this is one of our homemade ones. It's a little squish bar. And the last thing before I end this video, a marble mesh. Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow.